All right, let's go bag these books. It is Saturday. I'm a little far out today. It is all good. Friday was so busy yesterday, I didn't even get a chance to record nothing. It was so busy. It was a $300 day. I think it was more than that. Might have been like $350 a day. Yesterday was great. All right, let's see where we at. We out here in Toco Hill today. A little far out of my zone.
You got a ride today, free ride.
People be tripping. All right, let's roll. Watermelon is on sale this week. The cut up free watermelon. She want a lot of it. She want like 2 big large ones and 5 pounds. All right, let's set our timer. 30 minutes for everything. All right, what they got over here? All right, let's see what they get. Now we filling them up. All right. And that's one. Gotta get close to 5 pounds as possible. I know that one light. I hate when they put the thing on prices in the back. I need to see them, so turn them shits around, man. I have to go through all of these. Close as we can get. Go ahead and add the first one. I have to add a small one too. All right, let's see. I don't really shop at this store that much, so it might take me a little bit of time today. But let's roll. She wants some stuff from the deli. She wants some home.
Okay, then she's gonna hit you.
Okay, all right, thank you. She wants some peppered salami, pepper coated salami. Check the expiration date, October. Great. Why not just buy the cheese by itself in the bag for cheaper? What's this? Oh, they ain't making no subs today? Wow. Alright, what are these cookies at? Sprinkle sugar cookies. Yep. Alright, just arrange my basket. What she wants? She wants broccoli, cherries, grapes. Now, them grapes don't look good. Check over there. Oh, I got to get the little thing at the door. One lemon. Alright. This ain't getting no grapes, but they do not look good. She specifically said don't get them if they look like X, Y, and Z. And guess what? They look like X, Y, and Z. Almonds, chocolate covered almonds, milk chocolate. Banana, banana, beef, and banana. 2 organic bananas. Ugh. I'll get those. She didn't want to substitute. Get 3 of these. They're so damn small. I hate these bananas when they be looking like this. Now let's go with this one. Alright. Work with that one. Grapes is a no-no. I was asking if she had more of the 12-pack of Hawaiian rolls. I was asking her if they had more of the 12-pack. Yeah. No, that's just the 24. Okay, thank you.